where's my friend SpongeBob is. SpongeBob, why are you coughing? It's because I'm SpongeBob, you really need to learn how to talk normal and stop talking gibberish. It's because I'm sick, okay? So you have coronavirus. Nobody get near me. Really? You don't want nobody to get near you. Yeah. Nobody has to get near me. No. 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 I'm sorry, you're under arrest. We're hitting. Hey. Lesson of today is don't do anything then. Okay. Bye.